Hi, this is Carissa Caramanis O&rsquo, and I'm here at the National EMS Culture of Safety Strategy Conference in Arlington, Virginia. And I'm here with Keith Griffiths from the Red Flash Group. Welcome, Keith.
Hi. Well, it's very good to be here. Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about how you first got involved in sort of the issue of safety.
Well, I had been the editor of GEMS, the Journal of Emergency Medical Services, many years ago, and I met a lot of people who were involved with this topic, and in particular a group of paramedics in San Diego, where I happen to live, who really wanted to get other first responders and paramedics involved in primary injury prevention. And of course the whole issue of safety and injury prevention goes together. And over the years we created a special award actually for EMS agencies that promoted safety and injury prevention. It's called the Nicholas Rosecrans Award, and we've presented at the EMS Today conference each year. But the stories of how the culture could change in those agencies that really adapted an injury prevention ethic really taught me a lot about what is possible. When this project came around, we were actually contacted by ACEP, who's the main contractor, and asked if the Red Flash Group would like to be a subcontractor on the project, and we jumped at the opportunity to be involved in this. So we're delighted to be here and delighted to help in this process. And of course the Red Flash Group over the course of the next 2 years will be working with ACEP and the steering committee and other stakeholders to help craft that national strategy.
So over the next day and a half or so, you've gathered a number of really smart and driven folks in a room to sort of talk and be a part of that process. How critical is this step to the next steps that you will take?
This is a critical step in the sense that this is the main opportunity to gather all the stakeholders together and to capture their ideas. And we're taking them through a series of presentations and then brainstorming discussions to try to get out of them new ideas, new ways of thinking about EMS culture and how safety can be integrated into EMS culture. We'll have other opportunities and opportunities to interview people and to look at peer-reviewed research and look at other types of information that we can use in this process. But being able to get people together talking, and as you know, one idea can feed on another, and so being able to have this dialogue here in person is critically important.
So has anything sort of popped out this morning during the sessions that has been a new piece of insight?
Well, Scott Griffiths from the airlines industry gave a great presentation talking about especially looking at different types of behavior that could be errors, but then also looking at when people have risky behavior that they make a conscious choice to act on, and that there's a whole area of focus on that particular type of risky behavior and how systems can be designed to specifically try to address that. And I think Dave Williams talking about the IHI, the Institute for Healthcare Improvement, and the 8 steps that leaders need to take to affect change and what they've been able to do in adopting many of the things that they learned from the airline industries and other places are, I think, good lessons for EMS and how EMS can learn from those other industries as well.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for being with us, and good luck with the next steps in really distilling all of this great information and with the report.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Again, this is Carissa Caramanis O&rsquo at the National EMS Culture of Safety Conference in Arlington, Virginia.